Today we're going to learn about a beautiful teaching from the Quran. Allah tells us in Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 83, and speak to people good words. This means we should always use kind and gentle words when we talk to others. Let me tell you a story about a boy who learned this important lesson. Once upon a time, there lived a young boy named Omar. Omar loved playing soccer with his friends at the park every afternoon. One sunny day, a new boy named Kareem joined their game. Kareem wasn't very good at soccer yet, and he accidentally kicked the ball into the bushes 3 times. Omar felt frustrated and angry. Omar was about to say something mean to Kareem. The unkind words were right on the tip of his tongue. But then he remembered what his mother had taught him from the Quran, and speak to people good words. Omar took a deep breath and thought carefully about what to say instead. Omar smiled at Kareem and said, "Don't worry, everyone is still learning. I wasn't good at soccer when I first started either. Let me show you a trick that helped me." Kareem's face lit up with happiness. Omar spent time teaching Kareem how to kick the ball properly. Soon Kareem was playing much better. From that day on, Omar and Kareem became best friends. Omar learned that speaking good words made everyone feel happy and brought people closer together. Remember, just like Allah teaches us, always speak to people with kindness and good words. Your words have the power to make someone's day brighter.